The weather is getting colder. Do you know how to make a delicious bowl of hot and sour soup? Today I'm going to teach you how to make an extremely tasty hot and sour soup. First, cut the soft tofu, sausage, and the white part of the scallion into thin strips. Wash and chop the cilantro into sections and place everything on a plate for later use. Heat the pot, then add scallions, ginger, and dried chili peppers to release their fragrance. Spray a spoonful of aromatic vinegar along the side of the pot. Make sure the pot is hot when adding the vinegar. Next, add an appropriate amount of water. Add a bit of soy sauce for more flavor and aroma. Use a slotted spoon to remove the scallions, ginger, and dried chilies. Add a spoonful of salt and a little bit of pepper to season. Then add some cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup. Then pour in a beaten egg. First, thicken the soup, and then add the egg to make smooth egg ribbons. Finally, add the pre-prepared ingredients and stir gently. Bring it to a boil again, and it's ready to serve. A bowl of delicious hot and sour soup.